Yo, what up YouTube BX? It's your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as only using tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black to the blue, my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy, so I'm back with another unboxing for you guys, so let's actually get to it really quick. You already know the deal, let's move the keyboard out the way. Let's get to the package. Sorry if it's a lot of noise in the background. It is hot inside here, so I got the fans and AC running on all together. So you already know the deal. Bat knife, box, bat knife. Let's unbox this shit. So I'm just gonna get in here really quick, rip this out. So what did we get? Which I'm gonna show you guys right now. So y'all probably wondering, why did I buy another one? I didn't buy another one. This one is actually different. This one is actually the Fly Digi 8 4. So let's get inside here. Bat knife, box, bat knife. Unbox it. Let's get to that plastic. There we go. Try to find the opening part. Here it is right here. Right there. So this is what you get in the box. Get this little card signed by the CEO right here. Let me close this up before somebody get cut, which is gonna wind up being me. Ooh, like this. Get a braided cord like this, which is my favorite color, black and blue. It's part of my as you can see, I got everything black and blue here. So here's the controller. Oh, this thing is heavy. Let me get the dongle, get the booklet. Anything else in here? No. Oh, so this one is a little bit heavier. Y'all know how I feel about Xbox controllers, but hey, oh, this feels good. Paddles feel good right there. Reach out. So this one's actually feel way better compared towards this bull crap right here. This one is by Mamba. This is the Mamba one. I did like it, but it's okay. Like I said, the dead zones is what the problems is. Then you got this right here. So yeah, I'm gonna mess with this, test this out on Call of Duty, see how I like it, and I'll come back to you guys later. So let me get this bull crap out the way. Put this on top real quick. Throw that back in here. Put this back in here. Put that back in here. Gotta get the screenshot. So get that, put that up here. Okay. Right there. Dongle, cord, dongle, manual right there. And there we go. That's it. And I'm out. Deuces. Whoa.